Hello everyone! In this video I will tell you how to buy cryptocurrency. Interesting topic, yes? Yes. Guys, before watching the video, subscribe to my channel. New video will be released every day about investments. Are you ready? Go start. Let's go to Binance first and register. I think you are dealing with it. Sign up with phone or email or continue with Apple. And click your country and confirm. Create personal account, yes. Email, password, email verification, phone verification. It is very simple, very easy. And then after registration comes the long awaited moment to buy cryptocurrency. How to do it? Easy! Go to the buy crypto tab and there we choose options suitable for your convenience. You can buy zero credit cards, but there is a commission, and you can buy without commission through P2P trading. I often buy through P2P trading. If you want to buy through credit cards, then click on the credit card and there we configure this way. $10, I'm sorry, $15 this commission. Use it in Tezos. Commission $14.77. Continue and write your card details and let's go to P2P trading. There to everything is very simple. You can buy here and also sell. Buy, sell. Choose options that match our terms. Choose the payment method and currency. Currency USD and payment method. Perfect money. And look at the current ratings. Choose a good rating seller. Then click buy crypto. Buy crypto. I want to pay $15. I will reserve. Yes. $14. After that, you will send the money to the seller and he or she will send you your money. When you have completed all these processes, go to your wallet and funding wallet. You can see your asset, use it Tezos. Here in the funding, transfer the money to the fiat and spot section. Spot section transfer. Funding transfer to fiat and spot section. And confirm. Then click on the market. And you can buy your long-awaited crypto here. This is all, guys. I left in the description of the link to the site Binance. You can go with You can go with this link and start your investment. This was the channel Investors Diary. Before the new videos.